In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glow effect in Photoshop. So first of all, you want to grab your image here and you want to click on this layer here like this. Now, there's a few options we can do here. I'm going to go over here to the object selection tool and I'm going to click. And this will probably give us the deer. So it's given us the deer here. Nice. That's pretty much all we need. In fact, there's a little bit missing here. So what we're going to do, we're going to click here and go to select and mask. So now we want to go up to here and do the little add tool. Oh, that's too much adding. And basically we just want to select, we can turn the transparency down here to the original image. We just want to select bits that it's missing. So it's missed this up here. I'm going to move this little bit here. Now you can be more exact and take more time with this, but I'm going to be quick and leave it at that. Nice, so we got that. Now I'm going to do Control J. And that's going to duplicate the layer, but it's only going to use the selection we just did. Now if you wanted to here, you could feather this. So select, right click, select inverse, feather, 5 pixels, delete. That'll just make the image a little bit more, it would have less of an outline to it. Now we only want to make these antlers glow. So what we want to do here is we want to go around the antlers and select them only. Now you can use, there's different tools you can use for this. I'm just going to use this tool here. This is not really the best tool for it, but you know, we're here for time. So I've got this as the outline. Now what I want to do here, right click, select inverse and delete. So now what we have here is we have a layer that has this antler on it. See, if you remove this bottom layer, there's no antler. I mean, there's no deer even. So now that we've got this, we want to put it into a folder. You press the folder button, click and drag it into here. Cool. So now what I want to do is you're going to want to press Control J like this. And it's going to duplicate the layer. Now on the blending mode, you want to go here and go to linear dodge. Now you can see it's made it look like this. So now from here, you want to go up to the top, go to filter, go to blur, go to Gaussian blur. I recommend starting off with like 5 Gaussian blur. I've got this, see? Now you want to do Control J again, and you want to go up here, and you can change this to something like 100. Spread the glow a bit. And we'll do the same, Control J. Blur options, Gaussian blur. And we can do 250. And then finally, one more. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. We can do 500. So that's created like a little, sort of the glowing effect. Now I'm going to teach you how to change the colors of it. So what you want to do is go down here and go up to hue/saturation, and it's going to make this layer here. Now first of all, you want to click this little icon here. This will add it only to these, it won't add it to the bottom one. Now press here, colorize, and from here you can change the color. You can see that, nice. I'm going to make it this kind of color here, and you can increase the saturation of it if you want it flipping ultra glow. If you want it a little bit, you know, just fiddle around with that. I'll put it like here. You can also change how like bright and dark it is. Just fiddle around with it until you get the sort of settings that you want to get, that you think are good for it. Now lastly, if you wanted to, you can click this down here. Make sure you're selecting the very bottom layer. You can go to brightness and contrast, and if you wanted to, you could just turn the brightness down to make the glow pop out more. And you could change the contrast. Just fiddle around with the settings till you've got something that you like. And that's pretty much how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.